All right, hey, welcome back, folks. I have a student that had a question on this one, so I thought I'd do a quick video. You could hit the pause, try it on your own, and then we'll do it together. All right, so what we have here is a simple algebra question, but put into this word problem. And it looks like the company is buying a bunch of plants. We don't know how many they're buying, so we'll call that X. And for every one they buy, they have to spend $3. So we multiply how many they buy by $3 to figure out how much they're spending. And then it also looks like they have to pay a 5% tax. So 5% tax is 0.05 times how many they're buying times the cost, right? $3. Okay. And then it looks like no matter how many they buy, they have to pay a one-time shipping cost of $6.95. And all of that is going to equal 69.95. That is the trick with word problems. We convert it into an algebra equation. So here we get 3x plus, now 0.05 times 3. Let's do that one really quick. If you don't have access to a calculator, you're not allowed to use it on this. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces over, so it's 0.15. All right, so then we get 3x plus 0.15x plus 695 equals 69.95. Then we subtract, we want to put all the numbers together. We subtract these guys, that cancels out, so we get 63. 63 even, and this is 3.15x. So 3.15x equals 63. Then we divide each side by 3.15 so that we cancel this. So x equals, I wonder if this will work, 63.00. I usually just kind of move those two guys over. Now then 315 would go into 630, and then 0 carries. That's the answer, 20. Do this math video right here. Keep kicking butt. You're going to get better in math if you keep doing these videos. All right, and let me know if you have any other questions. Send them to me, and I'll do my best to make a video right away for you.